Hey there, fellow adventurers. It's your travel savvy buddy, Savvy Rick Brown, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the magical realm of Paris, a city that oozes with culture, history, and of course romance. But how much will it cost to experience the enchantment of the city of love? Well, let me break it down for you. Now let's delve deeper into the wonderful world of Parisian accommodations. The place you rest your head can truly make or break your travel experience, so let's talk about your options in more detail. Budget travelers. If you're all about that thriftiness, Paris has got you covered. You can uncover hidden gems in the form of cozy hostels for as low as $30-50 per night. These are perfect for the backpackers and adventurers seeking the most economical ways to experience the city. They're not just budget-friendly. They often come with a vibrant atmosphere where you can meet fellow travelers and share stories of your escapades. For those of you who like to strike a balance between affordability and comfort, mid-range hotels are your sweet spot. In this range, you're looking at $100-250 per night. These hotels offer a decent level of luxury without giving your wallet a full-on workout. You'll find a comfortable room, perhaps some charming amenities, and a fantastic location, making it the ideal choice for many travelers. Now, for those of you feeling fancy and ready to unleash your inner royal, the city is brimming with luxurious accommodations. Expect to cough up $300 or more for a night in one of these swanky establishments. Paris knows how to do luxury, and these hotels do not disappoint. Next up, food. Paris is renowned for its culinary delights. From those buttery croissants in the morning to daring adventures with escargot in the evening, you're in for a treat. Dining in Paris can be as affordable or as extravagant as you like. A hearty meal at a local bistro will set you back around $15-25. And let me tell you, the French onion soup and coq au vin are to die for. However, if you're in the mood to celebrate or just indulge yourself, there's a plethora of fancy restaurants where a meal can cost you $100 or more. But here's a little tip. Don't forget to try a simple baguette with cheese from a local market. It's not only delicious, but also budget-friendly. It's like a bite of heaven for just a few bucks. All right, travelers, let's go on to the next section. But hold on a second, my fellow Globetrotters, because we're not done dissecting the cost of Paris just yet. Next up on our exploration of expenses is transportation. You see, getting around Paris is a breeze, and it's not going to break the bank. The Paris Metro is a marvel of efficiency, whisking you from the charming streets of Montmartre to the majestic boulevards of the Champs-Élysées in no time. The best part? It's super affordable. A single ticket for the metro or bus will only set you back about $2. That's like the price of a fancy coffee back home, and it's a stellar way to experience the city like a local. Now, if you're planning to do some serious sightseeing, consider the Paris Pass. It can cost you about $100 for a 2-day pass, and believe me, it's worth its weight in gold. With this pass, you can hop on and off the metro and buses without worrying about individual tickets, and it grants you access to some of the most iconic sites in Paris. Speaking of attractions, well, Paris isn't shy about flaunting its treasures. Exploring iconic sites like the towering Eiffel Tower, the world-renowned Louvre Museum, and the breathtaking Notre Dame Cathedral is an absolute must. But here's the thing, entry fees can add up. On average, you're looking at around $15-25 per attraction. So, plan your must-sees accordingly, and consider getting your hands on a museum pass if you're a culture enthusiast. My fellow adventurers, we're about to embark on a shopping spree in the fashion capital of the world. Paris, my friends, is a shopping paradise. But like with any paradise, there's a catch. Let's talk about shopping and some extra expenses you need to keep in mind. Paris is tempting, no doubt about it. Boutiques and markets beckon you at every corner, showcasing the latest fashion trends, chic accessories, and delightful trinkets. It's easy to get caught up in the allure of it all. Souvenirs, from Eiffel Tower keychains to miniature Arc de Triomphe statues, can fit various budgets, making it easy to bring a piece of Paris back home with you. But remember, window shopping is an option too, and it's free. Now, when it comes to fashion, Paris is a fashionista's dream. The city boasts a plethora of world-famous boutiques and designer stores. If you've got the budget for it, splurging on a high-end piece of fashion in Paris is an experience in itself. But if your wallet is feeling a little light, you can still savor the fashion vibes by exploring the trends and perhaps investing in a smaller, more affordable piece. Trust me, even a pair of Parisian-made shoes can make you feel like $1,000,000. Set a budget for shopping and stick to it. It's easy to get carried away, and we don't want your Parisian adventure to end with a maxed out credit card. Now here's a little pro tip. Always set aside a bit of extra cash for unforeseen expenses. You never know when you'll stumble upon an unexpected treat, like a charming street performance, a hidden gem of a cafe, or a unique artisan store. And my friends, we can't forget those irresistible pastries from local patisseries. Paris is renowned for its mouth-watering croissants, macarons, and eclairs. These little delights are worth every cent, and you'll want to savor them with a cup of coffee in a charming Parisian cafe. So make sure you've got a bit of extra change for those sweet indulgences. Before we continue our journey, let me share something that'll make your travel adventures even more savvy. Introducing Kiss My Baggage Fees, How to Be a Savvy Travel Hacker. Maximize your adventures with insider tips on flights, discounts, and more. Get your copy now. Link in description. So there you have it, my fellow wanderers. A concise breakdown of what it'll cost you to experience the enchantment of Paris. For the savvy budget traveler, you can savor the magic of the city of love for around $8,100 per day. With a mix of hostels, local eats, and budget-friendly activities, you can explore this iconic city without emptying your wallet. For the mid-range travelers who appreciate a bit more comfort and style, plan on spending $150–250 per day. This range allows you to enjoy mid-range hotels, dine in local bistros, and experience a bit of luxury without going overboard. Now, for those of you with a penchant for the finer things in life, the luxury seekers can expect to splurge $400 or more daily. With top-notch hotels, extravagant dining experiences, and upscale shopping sprees, you can live like a Parisian royal. And now, my fellow savvy explorers, it's time to set sail and continue exploring the wonders of this incredible world.